This is a review of the Liposomal Lymph Liver Cleansing 23-in-1 drops. And the brand sent this to me so that I can do a review. And I am having to keep my reading glasses on for this one because there are 23 supplements in this, which is absolutely fantastic. And it comes in a really, really nice raspberry flavor. The supplement serving size is about 2 milliliters, which is 2 droppers full. And so I typically add this to my tea. I suppose you can't really see that. So I typically add this to my tea. And then, like I said, it has a really good raspberry flavor. So please make note of that, so that way you aren't surprised when your tea has a little bit of a fruit flavor to it. But in here, there is some folate, vitamin D, selenium, zinc, echinacea extract, burdock extract. There's some tudka in here. There's lymph mixed extract that includes red clover flower, cleavers, mullein leaf, calendula flower, elderberry fruit, nettle leaf, dandelion root, and then there's also a liver mixed extract that includes milk thistle, seed, artichoke leaf, astragalus root, honeysuckle flower, and then there's some hazelnut in here, and then amongst a couple other things. This is a really good powerhouse of lymph and liver cleansing supplements. The lineup of herbal extracts in this seems to be really, really extensive. And then it has many historically utilized supporting supplemental herbs, extracts that have historically been used to help aid the body's natural ability to cleanse itself. And the brand sent this to me so I can do a review.